$414 was sent to me last week from a particular website just by doing everything I'm going to show you in this video. And the traffic source that we're going to be using today is going to be free. You don't have to pay anything to make this work. This video is going to be based on 4 steps, and if you follow along all through, I believe you're going to be at the point of making over $400 a day. And having said that, let's get started without wasting much of your time. This step 1 of this video says we should go to youlikehit.com and create our account. Okay? What you want to do is to go over to Google and type YouLikeIt, then it's going to be the first result. What you want to do is to click on the link, then you're going to be on this page just like this. Okay? In case if you don't know what this website is all about, it's a free tool that helps us to grow our social account. Okay, what we need to do now is to go ahead and create an account. Okay, to do that, you're going to hit on this page that said sign up. Then you're going to be on this page, and irrespective of where you're coming from, be in Africa, America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you can get started from this website and get everything done. The location is not going to hold you back. All right, so what you want to do is to put in a username here. You're going to create a username by yourself, the one that you like, your preference. Then you're going to put in your email address and create a password. Once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button that said I'm a human. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button to sign up. It's pretty straightforward. They're going to send you a code to verify your account. Okay, and once you verify your account, you're going to be on this page just like this. This is going to be your home page. Okay, but on your new account, everything is going to be 00. Okay, I just created this account for the purpose of this video, and apart from that, your new account is going to be 00 here. And once we're here, we're going to go over ahead to the step 2 of this video. And the step 2 says go to CPA Lead or CPA Grip. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be using CPA Grip because the type of offer that we are looking for is going to be present here. On CPA Lead, although it's simple, but the offer is not here. Okay? But everything I'm going to show you today doesn't require you to be a professional before you can start making money with it. Even if it's your first time doing CPA marketing, I believe this strategy is going to work for you. And at the end, you're going to make money online. Alright, so just follow the video step by step. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is to choose our offer. And to do that, we're going to select first the country that is going to be US. Okay, we are going to select United States. And I will tell you the reason why we are selecting United States in a second. Okay, if you come to similar way, you see that the traffic from this website that is going to be making us our money, 60% of the traffic are coming from United States, 30% from Colombia. And for this, we are going to be choosing our offer to be United States. Okay, now that we know the main reason why we select United States, what we are going to do now is to select the category, and the category we're going to select email submit. Okay, we want something that's going to be easy for the audience, and now we're going to select something that is going to give free something. Okay, they're not going to be paying anything, they just need something to win. Now this very offer is very good. It's going to be a good example, just the way I did it on my own. This was the kind of offer that made me over $400 in a day. And the offer is saying enter for a $500 Amazon gift card. And this offer is going to pay us $1.28 each time the person enter their details, just their email address. Okay? Because here they are not going to be paying anything. All they need to do is to enter their information to get access. Okay? That is all they need. So this is the best offer that we're going to be using today. What you want to do is to go ahead and copy the link. Alright? And you can go ahead to any URL shortener that you like. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use Bit.ly. Once you're here, you're going to paste your link here. What you want to do is to shorten the link to make it nice. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on copy, then you're going to save it somewhere very safe. All right, and if you don't know where to save it, you can actually save it on your Google Docs. Okay, just paste it here and let it to be saved. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead to the step 3 of this video, and the step 3 says make a tweet. And to do that, you just need to go over to Twitter and make a tweet. Okay, on your home page, just click on the tweet button. Then this button is going to show up. I know you know how to use Twitter. I shouldn't be saying this. And you want to write something similar to this. Okay, but you shouldn't copy this. You must have something upstairs that you're going to write. Okay, you write something like this: great chance to win Amazon $500 gift card. Enter for free. So what you're going to do, you remember the link that you saved somewhere else. Okay, what you want to do is to copy that link, return to Twitter, and paste your link here. Okay, great chance to win Amazon $500 gift card. Enter for free. Then you're going to paste this link here. Once you've done that, just hit on tweet. Okay, then your tweet is going to be created. Then it's going to be like this. And now we're going to go ahead to the step 4 of this video. All right, and the step 4 says add your site. And to do that, we have to return to YouLikeIt again. Okay, here's where the magic is going to happen. All right, now to add your site, what you're going to do is to hit on this button that said add. And once you've done that, you're going to hit on Twitter and retweet. Okay, and here they're going to ask you for your Twitter ID. You have to come back to Twitter again and copy the ID. You're going to find it at the top of the website. Just copy it, return to YouLikeIt again, and you're going to paste it here. All right. And once you've done that, you're going to hit on add tweet. You're going to see a button like this: success. You have successfully added the tweet to get retweeted. Okay, now what's going to happen? You have to set how many points are you willing to pay each time a person retweets your tweet. Okay, and by doing this, you're going to have more eyeballs, and this offer is going to be seen by more people. Then at the end of the day, you're going to be making more money. All right, and most of the people that are going to be retweeting according to SimilarWeb are going to be coming from United States. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry about. But what you have to do, you have to set how many points are you willing to pay each time a person retweets your tweet. Okay, I'm going to set 20. I'm going to put 20, but it's up to you how much you're willing to pay out. Okay, you can see from my account I have 234 points. Okay, if you want to increase your points, you can actually come over here that said end points. Okay, and also here you can actually end points with any of the following methods, either by watching YouTube video, commenting, following people on Pinterest, or any other way. Okay, and you can also end points by just retweeting, just like the one that we said. Okay, you can see each of these are going to pay you 29 points, 29 points. Okay, so if you want to increase your points, you can actually do any of this, then you're going to be earning the money. All right, if you follow all the whole steps that I just showed you, your tweet is going to be getting more eyeballs. People are going to be tempted to put in their details, and at the end of the day, you're going to be making money. That is it. Okay, so guys, as at the time of making this video, I decided to take a little break while shooting the video so that I will have a proof to show to you. All right, you can see the tweet that I just made. It has gotten 13 retweets. Okay, this thing works. All right, just for you to put in the time, you should be dedicated and have a positive mind. Okay, you can see it has 13 retweets, and if you check my account, I don't even have any followers. Okay, if you check my account, I have just 4 followers, and this is the first tweet that I'm making. It has gotten 30 retweets by the help of this particular website that I just revealed to you. You like it. Okay, so what I'm teaching is working. It's all left for you if you are going to put in the time, if you want to be dedicated, if you're really serious about making money. Okay, as of me, I'm already making money, and that's the main reason why I'm teaching you the same way, so that you too can go out there and be making money. All right, at the beginning of this video I was having 200 and something points. All right, now it has come to 40 points. Do you know why? Because I have used it. This method is working, guys. These are the people that just carry out the task. All right, you can see it's 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. Okay, and now I have no points left. And if I want to make more money, if I don't have the time, I'll just go ahead and buy the points. That's it. But you can actually earn the points by yourself. All right, if you come to the summary, let me show you something here. Okay, here was the initial place where we set it. You can see the campaign here. I set it at 20 points. At the end, it has gotten over 11 retweets. Okay, now I will have to off it because I don't have any points left. You see, I have just 40 points. I'm going to off it. Okay, so guys, these things are working. You're going to put in the time and should be dedicated. I believe at the end, sky is going to be the limit. All right, if you feel like you've learned something for this video, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video just like this with a new strategy on how to make money online, you will definitely be the first person that's going to be notified by YouTube and be the first person to watch the video. If you don't want to make money in this way, you can actually click on this video right here or even this playlist that's going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. So see you next time when we post another video again just like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers. Peace out.